Number 1. Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 is a tribute to the legendary Meteor 700 that was launched in 1952 and became one of the most popular bikes in the world. The Super Meteor 650 combines the vintage charm of the original with modern technology and performance. It features a 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers 47 horsepower and 52 newton meters of torque, a 6-speed gearbox, dual-channel ABS, and a slipper clutch. The bike also has a classic design with a round headlight, a teardrop fuel tank, and chrome accents. The Super Meteor 650 is expected to be priced around $7,000 and will be available in 3 colors: Fireball Red, Stellar Black, and Supernova Blue. Number 2. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a versatile cruiser that can adapt to different riders and riding styles. It has an adjustable handlebar, foot pegs, and seat that can be customized to fit your preferences and ergonomics. It also has a 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that produces 61 horsepower and 63 newton meters of torque, a 6-speed transmission, and ABS brakes. The bike has a sleek and sporty design with a low-slung stance, a single-sided swing arm, and an offset rear shock. The Vulcan S is expected to cost around $8,000 and will be available in 4 colors: Metallic Matte Graphite Gray, Pearl Blizzard White, Metallic Spark Black Candy Steel Furnace Orange, and Metallic Spark Black. Number 3. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber is a stripped-down and stylish cruiser that pays homage to the custom bobbers of the 1940s and 1950s. It has a 1,200 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that delivers 77 horsepower and 106 newton meters of torque, a 6-speed gearbox, and ride-by-wire throttle. The bike also has a unique floating single seat that can be adjusted forward or backward, a hidden monoshock suspension, and an LED headlight. The Bonneville Bobber is expected to cost around $12,000 and will be available in 3 colors: Jet Black, Cordovan Red, and Matte Storm Gray Matte Ironstone. Number 4. Indian Scout Rogue. The Indian Scout Rogue is a new variant of the popular Scout model that adds some dark and aggressive elements to the classic cruiser. It has a 1,133 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that produces 100 horsepower and 97 newton meters of torque, a 6-speed transmission, and ABS brakes. The bike also has a blacked-out look with a matte black paint job, black exhaust pipes, black wheels, and black leather seat. The Scout Rogue also features a mini-ape handlebar, a bobbed rear fender, and bar-end mirrors. The Scout Rogue is expected to cost around $13,000 and will be available in 1 color: Thunder Black Smoke. Number 5. Ducati Diavel V4. The Ducati Diavel V4 is a beast of a cruiser that combines the power and performance of a superbike with the comfort and style of a cruiser. It has a 1,262 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 engine that delivers 162 horsepower and 129 newton meters of torque, an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with quickshifter, and Ducati Traction Control Evo. The bike also has a futuristic design with sharp lines, LED lights, and carbon fiber parts. The Diavel V4 also features an adjustable windscreen, cruise control, heated grips, and Ducati multimedia system. The Diavel V4 is expected to cost around $22,000 and will be available in 2 colors: Dark Stealth and Ducati Red. Number 6. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 is a modern and sleek cruiser that combines a powerful parallel twin engine with a low seat height and a blacked-out look. It has cruise control, ABS, and an optional DCT transmission that makes shifting gears as easy as pressing a button. The Rebel 1100 costs $9,399 for its base model and $9,999 for the DCT variant. It's a great bike for riders who want to rebel against the traditional cruiser stereotypes and enjoy a smooth and agile ride. Number 7. BMW R18. The BMW R18 is a classic and elegant cruiser that pays homage to the iconic R5 model from the 1930s. It has a massive boxer engine that delivers torque everywhere from idle to redline, a chrome-plated open drive shaft, and a double cradle frame. It also has a TFT display, active cruise control, and a front fairing panel that protects you from the wind. The R18 costs $17,495 for its base model and $19,870 for the first edition. It's a great bike for riders who want to experience the heritage and craftsmanship of BMW and enjoy a comfortable and powerful ride. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.